Hierarchies performance in Power BI. What is Hierarchies? Power BI Metrics enables cascading scorecards that roll up along hierarchies in your data. You can set up a hierarchy for a scorecard and map the Power BI datasets referenced by your metrics to the hierarchy levels and owner fields, automatically creating a new scorecard view for each slice of your data. That's potentially thousands of automated scorecard views with just a few clicks. Power BI will cascade connected metric values to each level of the hierarchy. Users can easily drill into the hierarchy to see progress, statuses, and do check-ins at different levels. Here, you can see the different levels of a project hierarchy in the slicer, and as you navigate to each level or sublevel of the hierarchy, your metric values, statuses, owners, and progress will change along with it. We have our top 5 tips and tricks to help improve your performance when using hierarchies. 1. Enable query caching. You control query caching behavior on the settings page for the dataset in the Power BI service. Click on Speed Up Reports by using previously saved query results. 2. Relative date filters. You can use the relative date slicer just like any other slicer. Select the slicer, and in the Format pane, under Visual Slicer Settings options, change the style to Relative Date. You can then select the settings in the date slicers. For the first setting, you have the following choices. In the second, middle, setting in the Relative Date slicer, you enter a number to define the relative date range. In the third setting, you pick the date measurement. You have the following choices. 3. Connect to Drill Down/Expanded Visual Data. There are 2 ways to access the drill down, drill up, and expand features for visuals. One way is to hover over a visual to use the icons in the action bar. Turn on the drill down option by selecting the single downward arrow. The gray background indicates that the drill down option is turned on. Another way to access the drill features is by right-clicking a data point on the visual to open a menu with available options. There are many ways to drill into your visual. Selecting the double arrow drill down icon takes you to the next level in the hierarchy. Select the bar for year. The bar chart now shows all the year sales. Select the bar for quarter. The bar chart now shows all the quarter sales. At this point, you can continue drilling down for months. Drill down for a particular sales. Expand. Then expand sales for days. 4. Adjust periodicity, time period, for metrics to no cycle or a lesser time period. Go to Details and adjust the time period on your metrics by opening the Details pane in Edit mode and navigating to the Time Period section. This control will change the time period that shows in the sparkline. We will still take the last 7 data points, but with a setting like no cycle, the time period for the data points may span less time, which could improve performance. 5. Connect to a singular data point rather than a time series. In the Current or Target field, select Connect to Data. In the dialog, search for the report with the data that you want to track, select it Next. In the report that you selected, navigate to the visual that contains the data you want to track. Select the data point or visual. Power BI displays the measure card, summarizing all the filters applied to the selection. Select Connect. Select Save. That's it. Our top 5 tips for improving hierarchy load performance.